guys, I am back with the gel polish collection. This is the Confetti Dreams Collection from Madam Glam. So thank you to Madam Glam for sending me this collection. The first color is New Me, which is a beige cream color. And I will have swatches at the end. The next color is Cheers, which is a muted orange. This is part of their Color of the Year collection, which the Pantone 2024 color of the year is Peach Fuzz. So this goes right along with that color of the year. The next color is Glam Resolution, which is a gold glitter. And I actually do this mainly with Cheers and this color, Glam Resolution. Nice gel polish colors. The next one is Purplicious, which is not a bright shade of purple, and it's not too much of a it's a little darker. It's not plum, but it's a darker shade of purple. The next one is Urban Green, which is a light green or shade of green. I think that's perfect for spring, or it'd be good to put some daisies on top of that, maybe some stickers or stamping. The next color is Make a Wish, which is a black glitter color. Really pretty. I thought this color and the next one paired well together. This one is Midnight Kiss, which is a dark gray. And the last color in the collection, I forget the name off the top of my head, is Ice Queen, which is a dusty blue. This is, like I said, part of the Confetti Dreams collection. All of these polishes are Korean gel polishes. And so these are all of the swatch sticks. The glitters are a little translucent. So I decided, as mentioned earlier, to do a mani with Cheers and Glam Resolution. So I am doing some press on nails. And so guys, I can't talk too long without getting ready to start coughing. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video. So thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these polishes. I am late to posting this video because the collection came to me late and then I got sick, so that sucks. And so real quick before I go, I was polishing with Glam Resolution just by itself, and it was very translucent, so I ended up wiping that off and polishing all the nails with Cheers. And then I went in and put 2 coats of glitter on top of the thumbnail and the pinky nail. So here's where I decided to paint a little swirly line on the nail using the Glam Resolution, which was the glitter polish. And so I'm just putting that on my little silicone heart palette there. And I'm going to use the liner brush. I think I got the set off of Temu, I think. And I'm just going to paint a line. Y'all, I told y'all I'm going to practice these lines. But after I finished this set, I realized that, you know, I didn't even have to put this line on the nail because I am going to use some rhinestones on another nail. And that just by itself was just chef's kiss to me. And the plan was to, and I actually recorded me using Madam Glam's gold liner gel in a pot to outline this particular line, but it didn't look good, so I took that off the nail and I deleted that footage. So I just went in with a nail brush and some alcohol to clean that line off of the nail, just to clean it up, not off of the nail, but to clean it up before curing. And so here are the nails, and so I decided to go in with the middle finger and do some rhinestone stamping, or a rhinestone stamping image. This plate is from Clear Jelly Stamper, and it's a rhinestone placement plate. I think it's just an excellent idea, especially if you're not that well versed, or with placing rhinestones, etc. So I'm placing that on the nail, and then I go in with some rhinestone glue gel off camera and paint that on the nail, and so that's why the nail is shiny. It's not cured, it's uncured. And so I do lay the rhinestones out on the spec sheet, and I just pick them up and place them on the stamped image, and then I go in and place some caviar beads. Once I get that placed, I do cure the entire nail for 60 seconds, and then I do apply top coat. Now the rhinestones were sliding. They were sliding, and so you got to make sure that before you place the nail in the lamp, that the rhinestones and caviar beads are where you want them to be. And so here are the finished nails. I thought they were really pretty, and that's why I say the nail with the swirl, the line, I really didn't need to do that. And so I've applied some adhesive tabs, and I'm just placing these on the nail. They did last for 2 days. So guys, if you found value, please like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99 still in 2024. So thank you to Madam Glam for sending me this Confetti Dreams collection. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you next time.